Hey guys, this is Enrico with pragmaticreviews.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up web push notifications on WordPress. The service that we're going to use for this is OneSignal. Web push notifications allows a website to engage with a user even when they are not on the website. In this case, every time you create a new blog post, for example, in WordPress, you can trigger a web push notification, and this notification will pop up in the visitor's browser. With web push notifications, if the visitor accepts the web push, you have 100% delivery rate. And when you send an email, for example, the delivery rate is much lower. So before moving on to the actual demo, remember to like and subscribe. So let's get started. Okay, as with any other WordPress plugin, we need to go to plugins and then add new. And here we can look for OneSignal. OneSignal is the most popular web push notifications plugin. As you can see, it has 100,000 plus active installations. I'm going to click on install now, and now I'm going to click on activate. Okay, now I'm going to OneSignal push to set up the plugin, and here you have the steps to add web push to the WordPress blog. First, we need to create a OneSignal account or log into an existing account. I already created an account. It's pretty simple. You put an email, a password, and you are good to go. And the second step is going to be create a web push app in OneSignal. So let's do that. I'm going to open OneSignal on new tab. I'm going to log in to the service, and I'm going to create a new web push application. I'm going to click on add app, web push app, and I'm going to select web push, and I'm going to select WordPress plugin. Here we have different options. You have WordPress, Shopify, Blogger, Magento, Drupal, and some others. I'm going to select WordPress, and I'm going to put the site name here. I'm going to use my test website as the site's URL, and I'm going to keep the rest of the option as they are now. I'm going to click on save. So I'm going to copy the app ID from OneSignal, and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to copy the API key, and I'm going to paste it here as well. And there are a lot of options here. For example, you can use the posts featured image for the notification icon. You can turn this off. I'm going to keep it as it is now. Or you can use the posts feature image for Chrome's large notification image. And you can hide the notifications after a few seconds. That's the recommended option, so I'm going to keep that one. And you can change the notification title. I'm going to put something like, there is a new post, check it out. We can also enable to send notifications to iOS and Android platforms. This requires to update our app settings and set up on the OneSignal console the file-based credentials for Android and another push certificates for iOS. So let's do that. If we go here, this is the app that we already configured. So we can go here and we can set the push certificate here for iOS, and we can do the same for Android, setting up the Firebase server key. Then going back to the WordPress admin, we have prompt settings and subscription bell. The prompt is the window where the visitor can allow or deny receiving push notifications, and the subscription bell is the way that the user can unsubscribe from push notifications. Then we can use a full screen prompt or auto prompting. We can select one or the other. So these are exclusive. As you can see, when we select full screen prompt, is going to show up this HTTP pop-up settings. This is the full screen prompt where you can customize all these fields, the action message, the buttons, the text, the URL, and some other fields. Or you can keep it by default. This is the default configuration. And here you can automatically prompt new site visitors to subscribe to push notifications. Here you can see how it's going to look like for HTTPS sites and for HTTP sites. With the default settings, where we automatically prompt new site visitors to subscribe, there are only three things that we need to configure: the title, that in this case is OneSignal, the message, that is thanks for subscribing in this case, and the URL, that in this case is notify.tech. These are the fields that we have to customize in this case. Then we have the automatic notification settings, where we can enable to send a web push notification when we create a new post. And we can also enable to send notifications when a third-party application creates a new post. We can also configure here on the UTM tracking settings some standard analytics parameters for tracking, such as UTM source and some others. And then we have some advanced settings where we can activate web push notifications for custom post types. There is a plugin called Custom Post UI, that is actually this one. Here you can install this plugin and add custom post types. And that's pretty much it. We press on save and we are done. Okay, now I'm going to enter to the website and I should get the prompt to allow push notifications. So I'm going to click on allow. And if I enter into the WordPress admin page and I go to posts and I'm going to add a new post, I want to receive a new push notification here. So let's create a new post really quickly. I'm going to publish it and I should get a push notifications here. There is a new post, check it out. So I'm going to click here and it should take me to the post that I've just created. There you go. This is how you can set up push notifications on your WordPress website. And doing this, you can increase your visitors' engagement. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.